good, YouTube family? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will be unboxing the MANIERE OG High Jordan 1s. They released originally November 24th through MANIERE, and they released today through the sneakers app for a retail price of $200. First of all, round of applause. Round of applause. W release. So far, MANIERE is 2 for 2 on their hype releases. The reason why I'm saying that, if you don't know, it's no question that everybody in the sneaker community knows how bad it is to get shoes because of bots. So what MANIERE did was they changed the domain name at the very last minute, and they put it was a couple different steps that you had to get to prove that you were human in order to get these shoes. First thing that they did was, once you actually get in, you get to the website, after finding out what the domain name is, you have to fill out the CAPTCHA. Now, the CAPTCHA is you have to spell out a word. Usually they change it up. So I know for me, it was, I think I had to spell MANIERE, something like that. I can't even remember. But it was a couple different variations of it. And that way that ensured that it wasn't one specific word that bots could just pick up and then just clear out, stop. After that, I think you had to either draw a box around a cat or an airplane. And here's a tip. With these releases, don't rush. You have to take your time, and it actually has to process the box that you drew around whatever image it is, so that way it can prove that you're human. After that, push you in the queue. And the one thing that I appreciate the absolute most, the wait time is actually accurate. Perfect. Round of applause again, man. Round of applause again, because nothing is more aggravating than seeing that you have 3 minutes and that 3 minutes is actually 13. And then by the time you get to the cart, it's sold out. They killed this release, and the same happened with the Jordan 3s that released earlier this year. Same thing. I don't understand why more sites that have a Shopify releases don't follow this plan. I think Union does something like this, but this by far the most manual W's that I've seen is through MANIERE. So with that being said, we're gonna get to this unboxing. I haven't personally seen them yet. I was waiting to shoot this. They came in, I believe, a day or two ago, but I finally got time to make this video, so we're about to get to the unboxing now. All right, wait, where's my knife? And we're back. Cut away. You're opening with anything sharp. I learned this when I was a member of the safety team in my last job. Cut away from the box. Okay, so it's a similar box to the Jordan 3s. Let me get it out the box so you can see. We don't need you. Oh man, this box is even clean. It's like a cream off-white color with the Nike is in, well, you can kind of see it. The Nike is in brown. And it comes with this translucent cover with the MANIERE logo on it. Similar to the, well, it's pretty much the exact same as the Jordan 3s. And I got my size, I got a size 11. And these, ooh, love that smell. Love that smell. Gotta love it. So the first thing I noticed is it comes with, actually, yeah, these are wax. So it comes with an extra set of laces. Comes with the cream color, or like the off-white color laces. I'm not even sure what material this is, but it's definitely different. It reminds me of the material of the Taupe Haze 4s that released. The lining on the inside is like a quilted lining. This shoe has a lot of like similarities to other releases that Jordan had put out this year. And also the Vachetta Tan Jordan 12s. They had that quilted luxury type of sock liner, but this I could tell is gonna be more comfortable than the other ones. I just realized too. So these are actually flaps, similar to the off-white ones. Most of this, I guess you wouldn't really know because the pictures don't really do it justice unless you watch a review or you see them in hand. But these are actually really nice. It's almost like a burgundy brown color or a Bordeaux kind of color. So the box reads, Sail Burgundy Crush Void. What? We just gonna go with Burgundy Crush. I'm not exactly sure. I'll put it on the screen exactly what it reads, but I don't even know what that is. I have to research that. It's got the clean MANIERE Jordan brand logo on the side of the box. I'm usually not a really big box guy, but this box is really clean. The outsole, it's that same Burgundy Crush color. It's got the MANIERE signature right up under the Nike Air tab on the tongue. Only thing I wish they would have done is, I know on kids or like grade school pairs, on this back side, it actually has MANIERE written out, which I think that would have been a dope touch on these. And this looks like snake skin. I cannot lie, these are very, very clean. I do wonder though, with this material, how the toe box will age. I don't know if it's gonna be, you know, similar to leather toe boxes, how it kind of gets wrinkled, but you can kind of iron that out. Cause this is a weird material. I honestly, I'm gonna have to do more research because I'm not sure what this is. I actually didn't think I would see it again after the taupe haze. All in all, man, they did it again. I'm starting to implement something new. So when I do sneaker releases, you know, I created my own little grading system. So what I'm gonna start doing is I'm gonna give them a 1 to 5 rating. 1 glove being is trash, 3 gloves, nah, and 5 gloves is fire. So these, to be honest, I have to give these, I say a 4. Only because I don't know longevity wise how these will hold up. That remains to be seen. But from the quality, from the execution, the colorway, the presentation, the box, and another thing too, both sets of laces have these metal caps. That gives you that, you know, luxurious feel, like it's a premium sneaker, which it is. Yeah, and they changed the domain to hope you win and wear your shoes. I see what you did there. I like that. Congrats to everybody who took a W either today or on the 24th. And in the comments, let me know where'd you hit, and let me know how you guys like these, because these are definitely going in the closet. Be sure to like the video so that way you can get to everybody else who, you know, who's interested. Appreciate you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.